was extraordinarily dangerous. So you just see how dangerous it is, and it was just, you treat things with respect, and nature is always a place you have to be careful.
Waterfalls, particularly the top of waterfalls, can be, an attractive danger.
We don't usually put our dog on a leash, and dogs are really smart, but it's a 60-foot drop. So you just have to use a lot more caution and to be aware that footings can shift.
A higher level of caution anywhere you're near a vertical drop. Always a good idea to wear good lugged boots. Anything that's going to give you better traction.